Sarah sat in front of her brightly lit mirror. On the table were her favorite tools: a soft brush, a small sponge, and a palette of warm colors. She wasn't just getting ready for work, she was practicing her English by narrating her actions. First, she whispered, I apply a little bit of moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated. She rubbed her hands together and pressed them against her cheeks. Next, she picked up a bottle of liquid foundation. I only use a small drop, she told her reflection. I want to look natural, not heavy. She blended the cream using a damp sponge, moving in light, tapping motions. Then came the concealer to hide the dark circles under her eyes. Now I look awake, she laughed. Finally, she swiped a dusty pink blush across her cheekbones and added a touch of mascara. Looking in the mirror, Sarah felt confident. Her makeup was finished, and her English practice was done for the day.